In the quiet suburbs of Ohio lived a 17-year-old girl named Emma Collins. She wasn't lazy, she wasn't unmotivated, but she was overwhelmed. School deadlines, home pressure, social anxiety. Everything felt too heavy, too big, too impossible. Emma always said, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. Her assignments stacked up. Her room looked like a storm had passed through, and her self-confidence slowly disappeared. Every night, Emma stared at the ceiling and whispered, "Why can't I get my life together? What's wrong with me?" But the silence only made her feel smaller. One afternoon, her school counselor, Mrs. Rivera, asked her to stay after class. She didn't scold her. She didn't judge her. She simply placed a sticky note in front of her. On it were 3 words: the 10-minute rule. Emma looked confused. Mrs. Rivera said softly, "Whatever feels too big to start, just do it for 10 minutes. Not perfectly, just 10 minutes, every day. That's it." Emma laughed nervously. "How can 10 minutes change anything?" Mrs. Rivera replied, "10 minutes won't change your day, but it can change your direction." That night, Emma tried it. Not to improve her life, but to prove her counselor wrong. She set a timer. 10 minutes. Just homework. But something strange happened. Once she started, it didn't feel that hard. She kept going for 25 minutes. The next day, she cleaned her desk. 10 minutes. The day after that, laundry. 10 minutes. Then reading, journaling, studying, planning. 10 minutes every single day. Slowly, her life began to shift. Her grades improved. Her room felt peaceful. Her mind felt lighter. For the first time in years, Emma felt in control. But real change isn't smooth. Halfway through the semester, Emma faced a massive problem. A history project that counted for 40% of her grade. She froze. The old panic returned. But she remembered the rule. 10 minutes. She opened her laptop. Just started the outline. 10 minutes turned into an hour. The next day she did 10 more. Then 10 more. 2 weeks later, Emma presented the best project in her class. Her teacher said, "This is college-level work." Emma almost cried. Emma wasn't perfect, but she was consistent. She worked out for 10 minutes a day, studied for 10, practiced guitar for 10, meditated for 10. Small steps, small wins, small habits that built a completely new version of her. She graduated with honors, got accepted into her dream college in North Carolina, started a small online study community that helped thousands of teens stay motivated. Emma learned something most people never understand. You don't need motivation, you need momentum. 10 minutes a day can rebuild your focus, your discipline, your confidence, your life. My friend, this story isn't just about Emma. It's about you. If your life feels heavy, if your goals feel too far, if your mind feels stuck, start with 10 minutes. Not tomorrow, today. Because small habits don't just change your day, they change your destiny. Take your first 10 minutes today and join me for the next chapter. Subscribe